Presenting Pigeon All-in-One Ceramic Super Cooker in black. This 5-liter handi-shaped cooker is made in non-stick anodized ceramic. It has a 4mm thickness for even heat distribution, making it stove-top as well as induction compatible. This cooker comes with 3 different lids for pressure cooking, straining and serving. It is dishwasher safe and the short handles make it easy to use. The weight valve, central gasket and the metallic safety plug at the top of the lid allows the excess pressure to come out, making it safe to use. It comes in a size of 29 by 29 by 23 centimeters and weighs 2.7 kilograms. The box contains the cooker body, cooker lid, gasket, weight valve, handle, warranty card, body cover, lid cover, glass lid and glass lid cover.
This Craftsman India combo consists of 3 clay pots of sizes 1 liter, 2 liter and 3 liter, each along with 2 complementary wooden spatulas. These clay pots are black in color and are made using the traditional pottery technique. This assures of their uniqueness, quality and durability. These pots can easily withstand high temperatures and using them not only neutralizes your food's pH balance but also transfuses minerals like iron and magnesium into it. Isn't that amazing? These pots are all handmade and have a nice rugged look to them. Introducing the Craftsman India Pottery Earthen Kadai Combo. This black kadai combo is made of clay material and measures 34 by 34 by 32 centimeters. It weighs 5 kilograms and has a capacity of 6 liters in total, split into 3 kadais of 1 liter, 2 liters and 3 liters each. This handmade product uses no chemicals in the process of its making but only natural excavated clay. More sand is added in clay for extra strength, durability and a long-lasting rough finish. Clay being alkaline in nature helps in neutralizing the pH balance of food by interacting with the acid present in the food. Clay being porous allows heat and moisture to circulate evenly, making food juicier so that it cooks perfectly without overheating or burning. It comes with 2 free wooden spatulas. In the box, you will find a pack of 3 clay kadais and 2 wooden spatulas. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.